Hello guys, so today I will show you an app where you just have to put photos and it's gonna make an edit itself. It's not copyrighted or anything. It's a really cool app. I recommend everyone downloading it. I'll put the link of it in the description. Subscribe to me, like the video, share with all your friends, and now I'm gonna show you the app. So here we are at the app. So this is the For You ones. You see the ones which has the crown icon with the limb like that. It shows the ones which has a crown icon. It means they're for like premium version. But let's get this one right here. And the one right here. So actually, I'm gonna get this one. One second. I'll make a smaller one. Sorry for the internet. So first of all, you have to make the photos on. No, all photos. Sorry. So now let's go back to Vinkle. And now let's do the same edit. It's really easy. You don't even have to pay anything. You just get free edits, and there's a lot of free edits, by the way. You don't actually have to buy the premium version all the time. Like there's free edits. So you need seven. Sorry for the sound. Let's close the. It's really making a lot of noise. There must be a way to close the sound. Actually, I'm just like gonna sorry for the sound. So now let's get the pictures like not these, like these one right here. These are okay. Actually the one these like this and another one. And then one more. Let's put the same one again. It's gonna like I'm gonna show you the video without the song because the song might be copyrighted or something. So sorry for that, but I'm just gonna show you this for example. That's why. Sorry, because I cannot close the audio of the song. Actually, I'm gonna make the audio of the song less, and I'm gonna show you then. Just let it save. So now I'm gonna show you the song. I'm gonna show you the video after I make the audio less. Okay. I'm gonna go back to that. Sorry for the sound. Sorry for the sound. There are like lyrics and other stuff you can. There's a lot more you can use. And if you want to get the VIP, it's also called as premium version. If you want to get it, you'll get 100,000 plus templates more for free. Only $30 a year, or you can even get the 3 days for free trial. You can even get the if you have the but you have to have $30 in from whatever you're paying your bank account or something. You have to have at least $30 in it, and then you can try the 3 days free trial. If you don't have like $30 at least on whatever you're paying, like if you're paying from PayPal or anything, you have to have at least $30 in it, so they will let you try the free trial, or else you can't try it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to me and comment what you want to make next, and share the video with all your friends.